Hermit crabs are fascinating creatures that can be found in the warm and tropical environments of Key West, Florida. These crustaceans are known for their unique behavior of occupying empty shells, usually from marine gastropods, to protect their soft, vulnerable abdomens. In Key West, they thrive in coastal areas, sandy beaches, and even mangroves, where they have access to an abundant supply of shells and food sources. Hermit crabs are scavengers, feeding on a variety of organic materials, including dead plant matter, small insects, and leftover pieces of fish or other marine life. This omnivorous diet helps keep their ecosystem clean and balanced. They are social creatures, often found in groups, which allows them to communicate and even engage in shell-swapping events where they trade shells to find the best fit for their growing bodies. In Key West, hermit crabs are adapted to both terrestrial and marine environments, depending on the species. Terrestrial hermit crabs often venture inland but must return to the sea to reproduce. Their larvae develop in saltwater before transitioning to a terrestrial lifestyle. These crabs rely on the availability of appropriate-sized shells and a habitat that provides humidity to keep their gills moist, which is vital for breathing. Key West's warm climate and lush coastal vegetation provide an ideal environment for hermit crabs. They are also a charming sight for visitors exploring the beaches or snorkeling along the shore. However, their natural habitats are sensitive to environmental changes, so conservation efforts are essential to ensure their populations remain healthy in this unique ecosystem. Hermit crabs are not just fascinating for their resourceful use of shells. They also boast several intriguing behaviors and biological traits that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. One of the most remarkable aspects of hermit crabs is their symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. Some marine hermit crabs attach sea anemones to their shells, which provides them with additional camouflage and protection. Hermit crabs are also known for their housing markets, where they engage in shell exchanges. This behavior often involves a group of crabs lining up by size, waiting for the largest crab to vacate its shell. Once it does, a domino effect occurs as each crab moves into a shell slightly larger than their previous one. This behavior ensures that shells are reused efficiently, highlighting the communal nature of hermit crabs. Interestingly, these crabs have a keen sense of smell, which they use to detect food and potential predators. They rely on specialized antennae to pick up chemical signals in the environment, which is crucial for survival. Additionally, they have compound eyes that provide a wide field of vision, helping them navigate their complex coastal habitats. Another fascinating fact about hermit crabs is their molting process. Unlike their exoskeleton-protected relatives, hermit crabs must shed their outer layer to grow. During molting, they burrow into the sand to protect themselves from predators, emerging later with a softer, more vulnerable body. Over time, their new exoskeleton hardens, allowing them to resume their active lifestyle. Hermit crabs also exhibit surprising longevity for such small creatures. With proper care and environmental conditions, some hermit crabs can live for over 30 years in the wild. This lifespan is particularly impressive for terrestrial species, like those found in Key West, where they face challenges such as habitat loss and pollution. In Key West, hermit crabs are a delightful component of the coastal ecosystem. Visitors often encounter these charismatic creatures during walks on the beach or while exploring mangrove forests. However, it's crucial to handle them with care and avoid disrupting their habitats. Hermit crabs rely on the availability of shells to survive, and collecting empty shells from beaches can inadvertently harm their populations. Conservation efforts, including education about sustainable practices, play a vital role in preserving these extraordinary creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. Through their intriguing behaviors, adaptability, and ecological importance, hermit crabs offer a glimpse into the marvels of nature in Key West. They serve as a reminder of the delicate balance required to maintain thriving coastal ecosystems.